Unplanned downtime costs the world's largest manufacturers $1.4 trillion every year. That is roughly 11% of total global revenue lost to the clock. Yet, only 24% of factories use AI for real-time decisions, while nearly half of executives report critical skill gaps in smart manufacturing. Conversational AI closes this gap. Early pilots are already delivering 13% yield gains by turning siloed plant data into human-friendly insights. It reduces custom report requests to IT by 85% and increases overall operational productivity by 23% through self-service data access. Unlike enterprise analytics projects that take 18 months, our platform deploys in hours per data source. Empower every stakeholder, from operators to VPs, to act smarter and faster. Follow us and visit our website to learn about the best conversational AI for your manufacturing process in 2026.